Hello, it's Crypto Farmer XD, and welcome to the first video of 2025. Hope y'all had a great new year and a great holiday break. I know I did. But today we're jumping into some exciting news, and that is that the bounty program has officially come back as of today, January 28th, 2025. Yes, I just dated the video. Who cares? Basically, if you didn't know, the bounty program was something that existed last year, but it got put on pause for, I believe it was like a couple months, probably November timeframe, I think it was paused. And then it just got reintroduced. The bounty program essentially allows you to do tasks to get part of a prize pool of Gomining tokens. Previously, this was very cumbersome and it just wasn't really streamlined. You had to do tasks, take screenshots of those tasks, submit them on their forum. And it was just kind of a process and a half. And it was kind of hidden and not a lot of people knew about it. But now they're bringing it back as an in-house integration into the app and the website itself, which means it should be super easy for anybody to do, and it's going to be super easy to track. There's now official leaderboards instead of a Google Sheet, so it's a huge improvement. I'm excited for it, and let's kind of take a look at it. This is the blog post. Let's see what's going on here. So basically, the bounty program, this blog post kind of outlines everything. I'll link it down below. But basically, it's broken up into two things. It's broken up into epochs and cycles. Cycles are just like the regular Gomining weekly cycles, which then go into an epoch. But basically, all you have to do is do tasks. You sign up, do tasks. You don't even need a miner, apparently. So even if you don't have a miner yet, you can still partake in this and get Gomining tokens. And then maybe use those tokens to buy your first miner, right? And then this is kind of the rewards explanation here. So the first epoch is massive. It's 1 million tokens to share. So the leaderboard, which I'll show you in a second, that leaderboard will be broken up between it. That 1 million tokens will be broken up on how many people are playing who have completed task in the total epoch year. And then as well as each week, there is a weekly leaderboard, which is the cycle leaderboard. Well, they'll give away 10,000 tokens every week to people who participate. You know, you do 100 tasks, you get more tokens than somebody who did one task, right? So this kind of I already kind of explained this on how it works. I'm not going to rehash that. The tasks currently, they're not 100% to what they were in the previous style. If you were doing the bounty program before it was put on pause, currently the tasks are just referrals and community engagement on the Telegram app. Which now you can actually link your account to Telegram, your Gomining account, or your Telegram account to Gomining. So you have that now. It's a lot easier to track there. And then as well as, like I said, it's built into the app. The total bounty program, the first epoch, is going to be ran until the 24th of June, 2025. So we got another like 5-ish months, 5, 6, something like that. 5 months. Another 5 months to go through that, which is awesome. And then this just talks about the rewards, how to get started. You do have to sign up in the app, which I'm not sure if that meant you have to sign up for the bounty program. I don't know how that works or how that looks because I already am in the bounty program. That is one key thing. If you were already participating, all your stats and points and task rewards and stuff all carried over, so you don't have to worry about that. But I don't know what it looks like if you are just signing up to the bounty program. You're going to figure that out yourself. But let's take a look at Gomining and actually see how this looks and why is it way cooler than the old one. So we go into Gomining here. You can see I've been busy. I have bought a lot of miners over the last, whatever month or so. I'm up to 17. And 650 TH, which is awesome. But anyways, we're not here to talk about my stats. So what you're going to do is we're going to look at the website as always, but on the mobile app, you can do the same thing. You're going to go to your avatar icon. And then you're going to go to the promos section. In the mobile app, you're going to go to the avatar and then click on promos. And then it'll give you the list of promos like it's here. And then you're going to click on bounty program. It's going to load up the task list. And you're going to see we are currently on cycle 15 and the available rewards. So we got the rewards here. And we can see that there are tasks. There are the referral purchases. So you got this one. It is each earn points every time you refer friends that create a miner or upgrade the existing one. Awesome. So you get 10 points per task. That's what those little star icons are. And then we have another one, bring a friend. So this is just if you get a sign up at all. you'll get 3 points. And again, these are weekly, so they expire. And then you have the Telegram one as well. And the Telegram ones, if you're not already, you'll have a button that says you need to sign into your Telegram account. And then you need to join the Gomining Telegram chat server thing. But then here you can see messages in Telegram, so they're just trying to get interactions in their Telegram. Every 20 meaningful messages you send, you'll earn 1 point. So I'm guessing that means every 20 messages you send, maybe it's like a character count, I don't know what it is. But every 20 messages you send that are, quote, meaningful, will get you a point, which has a maximum of 10 completions, so you can get 10 points there. And then you have Telegram ratings, which share useful insights and answer questions in Telegram chat. If you help others, our moderators will boost your rating. So this one doesn't seem like it's an automated thing. It seems like that the moderator is going to be checking it out and keeping an eye. So if you are engaging in there and being helpful in answering questions, you might get some points on here as well, which just looks like it's 1 point per helpful answer, potentially. I don't really know how that's going to work out, but the moderators got the discretion there, so that's awesome. So again, this is all super neat. Before you had to take screenshots, submit it on a janky form and all this stuff. Now it's all integrated. You can go back and look at tasks for last cycles. Obviously there are none because this is the first week of the new integration on the platform. And then if you go up here to your leaderboards, you can actually see we now have a leaderboard. We're all familiar with this leaderboard format. It's the same kind of leaderboard format that all the other Gomining leaderboards use. I'll stay now, I promise. That's just a funny username. I've never seen that before, but that's interesting. Yeah, so basically you can see here, we're on cycle 15. These are the current tasks completed. That person's got 216 tasks completed. That's number 1. Currently, this is what the reward's looking like when it gets paid out. Again, the total rewards for weekly is 10,000 tokens. So you can see this person did 8 tasks. They have 80. I haven't done anything this week, so I don't have any right now on here to show you. There's only 2 pages, it looks like also. How many people are there actually? There are 100, currently 180. I do not know how frequently these update. I'm guessing, I don't know if they're going to be real-time leaderboard updates or maybe it'll be like daily. I don't know, we'll see how that goes. But then if you wanted to check out the overall, like I said, the epoch is the first like year, and then the cycles make up each week of the epoch. So if you go to the epoch leaderboards, this is the all-up 1 million Gomining token prize pool, which is pretty hefty. You can see here, which will end on the 23rd. So this went from August. Okay, so I guess it's only August 5th to the 23rd. But you can see I'm ranked 190. Just like any other leaderboard, you click up here, it'll take you down to the bottom where you are. Assuming nothing changed and it got paid out today, I would get 1,048 Gomining tokens. But I'm imagining that's going to change, and this leaderboard is really going to change a lot based on the fact that it's a lot simpler to use the bounty program, and that it's a lot easier to find it. Before it was kind of hidden. You had to like be attentive to like Discord and Twitter and, you know, their Telegram. Now it's kind of here and in the background. It's already on the platform. So overall, really excited for this change. It's a huge improvement to the bounty program. It totally warrants, like, it pays for the program going on pause for a few months because they really did a lot of work here, it looks like, and they really revamped it, which is awesome. So if you're not already, sign up for the bounty program. You're probably going to do that in the same way as, you know, go up to your avatar, go to your promos, find the bounty program. There might be a sign up page here at first if you're not already signed up for it. I don't really know how that looks because I'm already on here. And it did kind of take all this retroactive bounty stuff that I did and put it in here, which is awesome. You don't have to start over. But yeah, that's it. That's the Gomining bounty program that launched today. If you have any questions about it, drop them below. I'll see if I can dig them up for you. As always, thank you for watching and have a good day.